Hello viewers and welcome to a new video. In this video I will explain how you can get Canva Pro for free in 2025. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to help me make more of these videos. First go to the App Store or Play Store and download the Canva app. Then go to Settings and go to General. Then go to Background Refresh and turn this off. Now we can really start. Open the Canva app or site. Then you will see that you have a lot of different options, so definitely look around. Now you will see that a lot of options need pros. Now also check if all your details are correct, and if this is all correct, we can continue. Now click on receive a 14-day trial period, and then you will see that through the tricks we just did, you can now get Canva Pro for 14 days for free, and then for only 12 euros per month. Thanks for watching.